During the fall, I planted several August Beauty Gardenias, but they look like they're frozen. Will they survive? And this is Felicia in Marietta, Georgia. All right, Felicia, we got to be patient with this one, right? Gardenias, morning sun, afternoon shade. Now she asks about will they survive? They probably will, but we have to look at the zone, the hardiness zone. So Marietta, Georgia, I think it's 7A, 7B. Gardenias actually prefer zones 8 through 11. So it might be just a little bit too cold for them, but I would still hold off just to see what'll happen. Wouldn't you think so?
I agree. Even though my wife had me dig one up a few years ago.
Okay.
And I came to the show and you guys said if you leave it there, it'll probably come back. And
right.
I still haven't let her forget that. But I'd give it a chance.
I'll give it a shot. And then, if anything else, I know some people that do this, you can actually just cover them, in the wintertime. Or, Joel and Diamond actually recommends, potting them up and you can bring them inside.
Bring them inside, yeah.
Right, you can do it that way.
That's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work. If you like gardenias now,
yeah,
it's an option.
True. That's right.
Yeah, but it's going to be a lot of work.
Labor of love.
Labor of love. So cover them up, pot them up, bring them indoors. But I think this is a zone issue. Might be just a little bit, too cold because again, they prefer zones 8 through 11. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.